Yes. So I recommend doing that. Just clean whatever this tool's called, roller, in there. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all well and have fabulous nothing because it's Wednesday. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great start of the week. Today I'm so pleased to share a video as part of my Antonio and Friends series. So once a month or twice a month I will do a collaboration with other crafters because it's so fun, and also give you guys the opportunity to start to get to know new crafters. And today, this amazing video collaboration is hosted with the lovely Amy from Crafty Cart. So the lovely Amy, she is from USA. She's got an amazing YouTube channel and a Instagram. So I will put all Amy's detail just down below, so you guys can go and check it out. And Amy decided the prompt of the video, which I will put the message on the screen now. So that's the prompt. So I have to have something floral, we have to have something related to human, and so. So guys, keep watching and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, so the starting point of the project is this beautiful rice paper from Steampunk. This was gifted to me, or I think I won on a Happy Mail. Either way, I can't remember. As you can see, it's never been used. So yeah, and I love rice paper because the quality of the print is always amazing. So what we're going to do, we're simply going to get my Mod Podge. So I'm going to glue the paper first and then I'll cut it, because in that way you know that your paper is actually stuck 100%, and then you cut what you need. Because if you cut this first and then you glue it, sometimes you don't get the same result. So I always recommend, for experience, when you work with rice paper, glue it first and then you cut it. Okay guys, so I've got just a page of a book, just with some writing, because I don't want the background to be plain. And then what we're going to do, we're simply going to put some colours, some acrylic paints on here, and then we're just going to like press it. Now I just need to understand what, yeah, so that's the right side. So because on here we've got, especially here you could probably see better, there's a bit of turquoise, a bit of gold, a bit of red, and this is more like brownish colors. There is a bit of red in there. I'm going to use we're going to do like a white background with a bit of metallic gold, and then we're going to use a tiny bit of blue and a tiny bit of red, but literally mostly white, gold and black more than anything else. Then ready, 3, 2, 1, let's lift it up. Ta-da! Okay, so now we're going to put some gold. We're ready. 3, 2, 1. Go. Fabulous. Can you see it? Now we got another set of gold crocs. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. As you can see, there is a bit of blue. Can you see on camera? Yes. Yeah, I think if I show you closely. Right. So I'm going to go because they need to be dry completely. I love these. Could use that as it is, cutting into pieces, but no, we can't because I need to use this again. So yeah, this is almost dry. Do you know what I was thinking? I'm gonna be adventurous. I'm gonna use the rest of the colour they are in here, go all over it. I might spoil it, but I might not. Fingers crossed. Oh, that's not bad. Oh, I quite like it. Oh, yes, please, look. You see, we got some bit more colours and more texture. Yes, 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 yes. So I recommend doing that. Just clean whatever this tool's called, roller, in there. Yes. You see, she's got some red and blue now. Right, I'm going to cut this to pieces, cut that into pieces when it dries completely, and I'm going to glue them front and back. Okay, I'll see you in just a moment. Okay, done. Let me show you one by one. So this is the first, and that's the back with what we created together. So in fact, let me read you the prompt again. So 3 other cards, each one of them need to have something floral. So I've got some floral in there. Something shiny or sparkly. Well, can be any more sparkly than this gold. There is literally gold on all of them 3. And it's my lovely Gideo is the Renaissance gold. Oops, there from Pibeo. So it's my gold wax, which is almost finished now. So that's the second card. Love it. That's the back. And that's the third with the gentleman, and that is the back. So the prompts were something floral. So we said 3 flowers there. Something shiny or sparkly. Well, that's the gold. Something rusty. Now I didn't have anything rusty, so kind of like put some gold into these silver bottoms and trying to make them look a bit more rusty. So that's my take on that. We have to use things that we already have. We weren't allowed to buy anything, that's the whole point of being a challenge. And that's something that represents a human or an animal. Now it's lucky enough that I'm using things that already got people in it, but also added my I think there's not many left now. I got some pieces of sari. This is a proper vintage sari, and it's silk, and I got literally scraps of fabric. So what I did, I simple stapled them, so you create that little loop. So if you have like a pocket in your journal, you can just pull it out like that, and that your card come out. So that's my part of the human. And also a die cut or a label. So I've just put 3 labels there. So one there, one there, fragile, do not drop, handle with care, and another label in here. Okay, right guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was really fun to make, especially with some steampunk and something that is not very my cup of tea, but you know, it was fun to create something a bit different. Thank you so much for lovely Amy from Crafty Cat to do this video with me. So by the time I upload this video, Amy would have uploaded hers because of course of the time difference. So please make sure you go and check Amy's channels out, and also subscribe to the channel. I will put all links down below. Amy's got YouTube and also an Etsy shop and an Instagram account. So again, I'll put all her details down below. If you like this video guys, please give me a big thumbs up. That's what I'm asking. Thank you so much for watching guys, and don't forget we've got a giveaway. I've got a few more days until Saturday, which we're gonna draw the winners. So there's a giveaway on my Facebook group and a giveaway here on the channel, so go and check it out. Thank you so much for watching guys, and until next time, stay safe and well.